Hello students, my name is Anup Kumar Dutta. Today, with the same pre-knowledges of the exercise 13.4, let us do this sum. A container opened from the top and made up of a metal sheet is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeters with radii of its lower and upper ends as 8 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container if it costs rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. So to be very clear, let us draw the diagram first. Let this one is the frustum shaped container. Frustum shaped container. Frustum shaped container which is full of milk. Full of milk, and according to question, this one is the radius R1, the measure of which according to question 20 centimeters. This one is the radius R2, measure of which according to question 8 centimeters. This one is the height, that means perpendicular height of the container, H, measure of which according to question 16 centimeters. This one is the slant height. L, which we have to determine, and in this case R1 is greater than R2. After this, let us proceed in this way. Write in this way. Here height of the frustum shaped container, is equal to 16 centimeters according to question. Radius of the upper bigger opened circular and R1 is equal to 20 centimeters. Radius of the lower, radius of the lower smaller, closed, circular, and or base of the container R2 is equal to 8 centimeters according to question. After this, let us proceed in this way. Therefore, the volume of the container, therefore the volume of the container is equal to 1 by 3 into pi, that means 3.14 into R1 square, that means 20 square, plus R2 square, that means 8 square, plus R1, that means 20 into R2, that means 8 into height, that means 16. The unit will be cubic centimeters. This is again equal to 1 by 3 into 3.14 into square of 20, 400, plus square of 8, 64, plus if we multiply these two terms, we will get 160 into 16. Unit will be centimeters cube. This is again equal to 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 400 plus 100, 500, another 124, that means 624 into 16 cubic centimeters. Now if we do cancellation here, we will get 3 2s are 6, 3 0s are 0, 3 8s are 24. After this, if we multiply 208 with 314, we will get 4 8s are 32, 4 0s are 0, that means 3 here, 4 2s are 8, 1 8s are 8, 1 0s are 0, 1 2s are 2, 3 8s are 24, 3 0s are 0, 2 here, 3 2s are 6. Now if we add these elements, we will get 2 here, 11 here, 13 here, 5 here, 6 here. After this, if we multiply this number by 16, we will get 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 7, 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30, 31, 6 6s are 36, 39, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6. Now if we add these elements, we will get 2 here, 9 here, 9 here, 4 here, 14 here, 10 here. Previously we had a decimal point here, so this time the decimal point will be here. So this is again equal to 10449.92 cubic centimeters. After this, let us proceed in this way. Therefore the required amount of milk which can fill up the container, fill up the container in terms of liter, is equal to 10449.92 by 1000 liters. Write within bracket, since 1000 cubic centimeters is equal to 1 liter. This will be equal to 10.4. This 9 is greater than 5, so we can write in place of this number 4 the number 5, 10.5 liters. After this, let us proceed in this way. Therefore, the required cost of milk is equal to according to question, rupees 20 per liter. So this will be rupees 20 into 10.45, which is again equal to rupees. If we multiply this number by 2, we will get 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 9, 2 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2. If we add this 0, we will get 20900, and if we put the decimal point here, it will be rupees 209. So after this, let us proceed in this way. Now slant height of the container, L is equal to square root of h square, that means 16 square here, plus r1, that means 20, minus r2, that means 8 whole square centimeters, which is again equal to square of 16 is 256, plus if we deduct 8 from 20, we will get 12. Square of 12 is 144 centimeters. Now if we add these two terms, we will get 6 plus 4 0, 10, 0, 5 plus 4 9, 10, 2 plus 1 3, 4 centimeters, which is again equal to 20 centimeters. After this, let us proceed in this way. Therefore, the total surface area of the container is equal to curved surface area of the container plus area of the lower smaller closed circular and or base of the container, which is again equal to curved surface area of the container will be pi, that means 3.14 pi into r1, that means 20, plus r2, that means 8, into slant height, that means 20 here, 20, plus area of the lower smaller closed circular end or base of the container, that means pi, that means 3.14 into r2 square, that means 8 square. The unit will be centimeters square, which is again equal to, if we take 3.14 as common, we will have 3.14 into 20 plus 20 plus 8, 28 into 20, 28 into 20, 8 into 20 plus square of 8, 64 centimeters square. This is again equal to 3.14 into, if we multiply these two terms, we will get 2 8 just 16, 2 to the 4, 560 plus 64 centimeters square. This is again equal to 3.14 into, it will be, if we add these two terms, it will be 4 here, 6 plus 6, 12 here, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 to 4 centimeters square. Now if we multiply 6 to 4 by 314, we will get 4 for the 16, 4 to the 8, 9, 4 6 the 24, 1 4 the 4, 1 to the 2, 1 6 the 6, 3 4 the 12, 3 to the 6, 7, 3 6 the 18. Now if we add these elements, we will get 6 here, 13 here, 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 15, 8 9 1. We had a decimal point here, so we will get a decimal point here. So this is again equal to 1959.36 centimeters square. After this, proceed in this way. Therefore the required cost of the metal sheet used, required cost of the metal sheet used equal to rupees, according to question, in 100 centimeter square, rupees 8. So in 1959.36 centimeters square, it will be 8 into 1959.36 by 100, which is again equal to rupees. If we multiply 1959.36 by 8, we will get 8 6 48, 8 6 48, 4, 8 3 24 plus 4 28, 8 9 72, 8 9 72 plus 2 74, 8 5 40 plus 7 40, 47, 8 9 72, 72 plus 4 76 76 8 1 8 8 plus 7 15. We had a decimal point here, so it will be here now. So this is again equal to rupees 15674.88 by 100. This will be again equal to rupees, if we shift this decimal point by 2 places, it will be 156.7. Now this number 8 is greater than 5, so we can write the number 5 in place of this number, so it will be 0.75. So this one number 2, if we take, so this one number 1, if we take, so answer will be, therefore 1 and 2 are the answers. So this is all for today. Thank you.